Amazing building sites, picturesque rolling cropland, lake frontage, plus country home and outbuilding, this Northeast Indiana property offers something for everyone. Metzger Property Services presents these 41 acres in northern Allen County, selling at auction April 21st with online bidding available. Situated between Spencerville and Leo Cedarville, this property is at 11281 Garman Road, Spencerville, Indiana. These 41 acres in the peaceful countryside will be offered in 6 individual tracts, combinations, and the entirety. Tract 1 is 2 acres and features a country home with 1-car attached garage and an outdoor deck area that provides panoramic views. The home has 2 bedrooms and 1 full bathroom on the main floor, plus 2 additional bedrooms upstairs. The barn on Tract 1 is 37 by 64, providing ample space for storage or a workshop. The remaining 5 tracts are all quality cropland with a soil index of 118.5, and sewer hookups are potentially available at each of the remaining tracts, adding to their value as potential building sites. Tract 2 is 4 acres in size, while Tract 3 is 7 acres with lake frontage. Tract 4 is 11 acres and includes lake frontage. Tract 5 is the largest offered at 14 acres in size and also includes lake frontage. Tract 6 is another ideal building site, 3 acres in size with excellent access. Make plans to visit the property at the open house on Saturday afternoon, April 16th from 1 to 2 o'clock. These 41 acres of possibilities in Allen County, Indiana will sell at auction Thursday evening, April 21st at 6:30. Live auction will be held off-site at the Price of Peace Lutheran Church in Grabill, Indiana at 12640 St. Joe Road. Online bidding will also be available through the Metzger Auctions website. To find out more, call 260-982-0238 or visit the website bidmetzger.com.